Let's make a chicken sandwich. Now this is my very first time trying to make a chicken sandwich, and when I tell you that I knocked it out the park, I knocked it out the park, guys. Oh my God. So the seasonings, I'm gonna list them at the end of the video so you can know exactly what I use. But when I tell you, this recipe is very delicious, very foolproof. Let me know if you have any type of special remedy that you do at home to make a chicken sandwich, because I want to know. These panko breadcrumbs, oh my God, delicious. And welcome to the Nash house. Go ahead and enjoy.
Oh. My turn.